Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace side view mirror glass. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool, a flathead screwdriver, and your new mirror glass. Make sure your Ford Fusion is parked securely with the engine off. It's also a good idea to protect the surrounding paint with painter's tape to avoid any accidental scratches during the process. This preparation ensures a smooth and efficient replacement. Now, let's remove the damaged mirror glass. Gently insert a trim removal tool or a flathead screwdriver behind the mirror glass, starting from the top or bottom edge. Apply steady, even pressure to carefully pry the old glass away from its mounting plate. Once loose, disconnect any electrical connectors, such as those for heating or blind spot monitoring, making sure to remember their positions. With the old glass removed, it's time to install your new mirror. First, reconnect any electrical wires to the corresponding terminals on the back of the new mirror glass. Ensure these connections are snug and secure. Next, carefully align the new mirror glass with the mounting plate inside the mirror housing. Apply firm, even pressure to the center of the glass until you hear and feel it click securely into position. Finally, let's perform a quick check. Turn on your vehicle and test the mirror's adjustment controls to ensure it moves freely and correctly. If your mirror has heating elements, verify they are functioning. Clean the new mirror glass with a good quality glass cleaner for optimal visibility. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.